According to Dr. Tullio Simoncini, cancer is caused by a fungus Candida albicans, and can be cured with the help of baking soda. But there is no scientific and clinical evidence to support this theory. Find out more in the following paragraphs. According to the American Cancer Society, available scientific evidence does not support the idea that sodium bicarbonate works as a treatment for any form of cancer or that it cures yeast or fungal infections. Cancer is one of the most common causes of death in the United States. Despite it being a major disease, there is no cure for it till date. However, deep research is being carried out to find a proper cure for this life-threatening disease. There are various claims and theories behind the different treatment options said to cure cancer, but they have no scientific proof behind them. Treating cancer with the help of baking soda is one among these various theories. Baking soda for cancer treatment. Sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, has been presented as a cure for cancer by some doctors and researchers. This theory is promoted by a practitioner, Dr. Tullio Simoncini. He has claimed this theory to be effective in various videos posted by him on the internet, and even in one of his books. The theory behind this claim says that cancer is caused due to a yeast infection, which grows well in acidic conditions, and sodium carbonate can kill the yeast as it makes the blood alkaline. The theory and concept is backed by oncology and microbiology studies, but is not supported by any scientific and clinical proof. Is there any evidence supporting this theory? In a nutshell, there is no evidence to support this theory. In fact, scientific studies do not even support the claims that cancer is caused by yeast. They also do not have any evidence in support of sodium bicarbonate curing any type of yeast infections. So, if you rely on the evidence, then you can say that the theory is false. Following are some of the points which will help you get an insight of the lack of evidence in this theory. The theory claims cancer is caused due to a yeast infection, but tests which are capable of detecting the presence of yeast have failed to find any presence of yeast in the cancerous tumors. When experimental animals were exposed to Candida albicans, there were no reports which showed that the yeast infection caused cancer, or was, in any way, cancerous. Later, when the tissues from the infected animal were isolated and cultured for the presence of cancerous growth, they were unable to recover the germs. People who undergo high doses of chemotherapy have a weak immune system, and sometimes develop fungal infections. These fungal infections are cured with the help of antifungal drugs. But there is no evidence that these drugs are capable of shrinking cancerous tumors. People suffering from cancer may sometimes develop conditions, such as heartburn, which require sodium bicarbonate tablets or powder for the treatment. But under these conditions also, there is no evidence which suggests shrinking of the tumor, or baking soda fighting cancer. Can baking soda raise any complications? Sodium bicarbonate is available as a capsule as well as powder. It is available over the counter, and taken in order to neutralize stomach acid. It is also administered intravenously to reduce blood acidity. If taken in the proper dosage, it is considered safe. However, in high amounts, it can cause organ damage. Cancer is a life-threatening disease, and in order to get it cured, people try every possible treatment option. However, it is very important to understand the authenticity of any treatment before following it. Do not, in any case, avoid, delay, or ignore medical treatment and your doctor's advice. Till date, there is no proof that supports the theory of baking soda curing cancer. Hence, try to avoid it. For more guidance, talk to your doctor. Disclaimer: this Buzzle article is for informative purposes only, and should not be used as a replacement for expert medical advice.